Hey, it's Nick with American Home Contractors. If you've been following the channel, by now you should be fairly acquainted with Tesla solar roof and Powerwall batteries. One of the biggest questions we get from new customers has to do with how these roofs handle heat, particularly in the hot summer months. It's a valid question given that this roof is comprised entirely of active glass tiles and inactive metal tiles. The footage you're going to see today was taken in late summer of 2024 in the mountains of West Virginia. Pay close attention to the large islands of cool temperatures throughout this roof, as those are going to be where the active glass tiles are located. We hope you enjoyed today's video and take something away from it as well. Now, let's head back to the Greenbrier Valley in West Virginia.